how to download your activity with Reels on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download your activity with Reels on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here just go down until you find this one, download your information, and then click to select all and go down until you find Reels. Click on it and then go down, click create file, and now just wait and it will be created. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.